But
Yeah, just go.
I'm Jeremy Johnson,
I'm Harrington Jackson.
and we are in your 001 section class, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Our group project was pretty much based, we're inspired off of your presentation of the audio experiment you showed us about a week ago.
It's called like Octave.
With
The Octave program.
Octave?
program? Yeah.
Octave program,
Octave.
something like that, where it was playing sounds and it was a visual broadcast of how
Of life, like fireworks shooting up and down.
yeah, and other, like it was depending on frequencies and things.
So the basic idea of our project was to have like a kind of like a keyboard controlled light show, which where you hit a certain keystroke and the lights will go up according to the voltages or the different voltage values that you got that read on the screen. But me and Jeremy were just going to introduce the basic idea, and we're going to let Chase and Drew tell you a little bit more detail about how we're going to do this.
Say your name, James.
I'm Chase Fowler.
I'm Andrew Townley.
So basically what we wanted to do is, we were at the Adventure Museum, and we went in the dark room and seen that that was the room with the least amount of stuff in it, and I tried to think of something that we could put in the dark room.
Like we first started thinking about like the circuits, like the building blocks and everything, but that really wasn't working out. And then we were talking with them, Jamal and Jeremy, about the audio and stuff, and we were kind of thinking of like doing like kind of when you press buttons, they make the audio from the
But there
octave.
wouldn't be actually buttons. Like
Yeah,
we'd have
like,
switches
yeah.
that go into our digital analog docks, and we could run it with either
Octave.
the wave,
Octave, yeah.
Octave and the waveforms program
Yeah.
for the power, and use the switches to actually like play sounds from different cutout pieces of function waves.
Yeah, because the thing's probably gonna be like that big on wood, like
Yeah.
like wood, and then like that wide. So like the equalizer will be like on this side, and then the buttons or switches or rockers or whatever is gonna be on this side. But maybe a screen or the laptop on the other side.
Well, what I was thinking is we could take and like mount the laptop above, and then just connect the digital analog controller and then the dock, and then have the LED. Well, we're gonna have like LEDs as like
We should have like the
equalizers.
laptop behind it though,
No,
like the
well,
board and then the laptop behind, so
We
the
were
kids
gonna
don't mess
have
with
the
it.
LEDs as like equalizers and have them down the middle, and
So, like,
we could put
yeah.
switches as kind of like
And then it's
the
like
analog
yellow.
keys.
It's like green, yellow, orange, red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So y'all want like 4 LEDs on it?
No, it's gonna be like more. It's gonna be
I'd
like
put,
12.
I don't know about
Because like when you like play the
I'd have
stereo,
probably
it
around
has like the
five-
blocks,
five
the rectangles.
5 rows, maybe 6 up. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything really sophisticated. We're still trying to save them money.
Yeah.
And the thing is it would only require maybe one person
Yeah.
to run it. And
2 max. Like
no, definitely just one person.
How long do y'all think it's going to take us to program? Well, for the time limit,
Yeah, I mean, it all depends, just based on what all we get through in class. And I mean, by the end of the semester, we should have no problem trying to build something like that. All we'd have to do is put a program from Octave into your function and then connect the 2 programs.
And then I guess real fast, like shouldn't we just talk about like backup?
What would be the backup? Or you want
Yeah, like we can do that right now. We can talk about backup right now on camera, and like
You
brainstorm
just wanna
real
do it?
fast.
What kind of backup would you want? Would you want to do?
So like if not like lights and sound, we could always do like a motion type.
Motion's good.
Yeah.
Motion's
Have-
fine.
Like maybe like just a little foresight. We could do like maybe something. I have to learn like about solar stuff. Maybe we can set up a solar something. So just keep that in the back of our minds,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Because-
solar works.
Like a solar project,
Yeah.
or like a solar car that they can make. Like every group comes in and we take it apart and they put it together how they want. Maybe we can have like a thing we can customize, right?
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
like a customizable car they can make. It's like groups, like little kid groups come in.
You have to think about
Yeah, no, we can make a board with pegs like going out, but they can choose where the wheels go, or like how many wheels. Like maybe we can have like max 6.
And
Oh, you
then
talking
could
about something
have-
for the playroom?
Yeah, and then they can like
you can have like
yeah.
a basic function already written, and they
Yeah,
just
they
connect-
all they have to do is
they can
build the car
connect
how they
that
want it,
car.
and it runs off solar power.
Yeah, and then basically that anybody could run that. So.
Yeah, and then we'll just brainstorm like more ideas. But that's basically our key ones: the equalizer with the buttons and switches and sound. So,
Okay, well, once again, this is Drew.
yeah, go ahead and come back up.
Chase.
I guess. Yeah. Drew, Chase, Jamal, and get more in because like.
All right, Drew, Chase, Jeremy, Harrington. We're in section.
001.
Yeah, and this is our project discussion.
Couple
So,
ideas we thought of, a couple backup
Yeah.
ideas. I guess we'll see you on class tomorrow.
All right.